Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be taking you on a festive tour of how I decorated my house for Christmas. So as you can see at the entrance, we have this cute little Santa Claus. No Christmas decoration is complete without a beautifully decorated staircase. So this is how I have decorated it with a lush garland and ribbons and bows. And I have decorated my bookshelf with Christmas theme, and as you can see, our elf on the shelf is sitting here. We keep moving it every single day. And right here you can see this is our Christmas tree. We have beautiful red and gold ornaments on it. Also, we are hanging some personal customized ornaments, and this is the fireplace decoration. I have stockings for each of our family members, and this is a cute Christmas village with lighted houses, trees, reindeer, and lots of snow. It's like a storybook scene that brings the holiday spirit to life. I absolutely love this decoration. I have decorated my vases with Christmas foliage, and this is these beautiful snowflake shaped hanging decoration for my land. And this is another view of my living room, and as you can see that I have put cozy Christmas color cushions for my couch, and this is our centerpiece for our living room table. I have decorated it with Christmas flowers, some pine cones, and beautiful holiday candles. And this is another vase that I have, and I have decorated it with Christmas themed flowers. And I wrapped another lantern with red tinsel. Now let's go to my dining area, and this is our dining room centerpiece, and this is a wreath. These are some cute little Christmas hanging decorations, and this gives this whole room a very festive feel. And this is our family room bookshelf. We have Christmas themed decorations such as these stockings, a garland, letters to Santa mailbox with these cute snow and reindeer and Christmas tree on top. I absolutely love this, and I think it's very cute. I also have a sign that says Happy Holidays. And this is our family room couch, and as you can see, we have red and white cushions, a Rudolph and Santa Claus plushie with beautiful vase with Christmas flowers and scented candle. Here is baby Yoda wearing Santa Claus clothes. This is really cute. This is a cute soap dispenser that I have put in my kitchen. And here is our hot cocoa bar that we have put together. I think it looks really cute with different holiday themed mugs, a hot cocoa. Here we have a Christmas themed candle, some pine cones, and a tray with Christmas themed decoration. I think this looks really cute. What do you guys think? And right over here is my oven, and I have put these two towels. And here is a cute tray with different types of cookie cutters, all holiday theme based. And this is our Santa Claus with Christmas countdown sign. And behind him, I have these cute red mittens and some cotton for a snow display. And now let's take a look at the outside of my house. This is our wreath. This is real pine cones and leaves. And here is all the lights that we have put in our front yard. And this is still evening, so you can see how it looks. And now it's getting kind of dark, and this is how it looks at night time. I think this looks really pretty. What do you guys think? And this is how my house looks from the outside. In our neighborhood, everybody decorates their house very well. And here is the recap of how I have decked the halls and filled my home with holiday joy. Please write in the comments below which one is your favorite part of all. I would love to hear that. If you guys like my holiday decor, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope you got some inspiration from this video. So have a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.